Hello coders, today I am going to show you a hidden feature of Google Chrome, our reliable browser which we most oftenly use to browse over the internet or web pages over the internet. So whenever we open up Google Chrome, it by default opens up with one page. But maybe imagine a scenario that there are some websites, maybe your organization's, the email, whether being given by hosting or something like that, those pages are to be opened up each and every day. So you want a way out in which whenever you are opening up or firing up Google Chrome, all those web pages will be loaded up at one click and you don't need to open them up manually. How can you do that? That is the thing we are going to achieve, the hidden trick behind Google Chrome. So as you can see that in the desktop we don't have any Google Chrome icon. So to make it, if you want particularly this Google Chrome shortcut icon to be placed in your desktop, right click over the, first of all press the window key, search for the application. If the application is being installed, whatever application is there, it will be shown. Now go to this particular section, open file location, and from there just simply right click over it and then send to desktop. Your one of the goal is being achieved, that is you have successfully added Google Chrome as your as a shortcut to your desktop. Now comes the tricky part, that is how to open up those pages. So maybe I'll be writing down the name of a few websites, maybe www.techgeek.com, techgeek.com, and before let me open up Google Chrome browser, and maybe I was learning Python all by myself, so maybe W3 schools Python. So that's Python. So I want this, I want the Techgeek to open up. Also I want this one, Python, to open up. So let me copy this particular address, Control C, and roll back to Notepad in here and paste it in. After that, after techgeek.com, Control V, yeah, W3 schools. And apart from, okay, so what else can I, maybe YouTube. So there's, I don't need to copy the URL, I'll be writing it manually. So www.youtube.com. So these are the three tabs which I commonly use, and I want Google Chrome to fire up, open these three websites whenever it opens up. So let me Control C, copy this, the name of these three website URLs, close down Chrome, and from Google Chrome this section right click over it, and then I'll be going to the properties section. So as you can see in the target section there is a something like written chrome.exe. So after this, in this position, chrome.exe. So after this you need to write this, particularly these two things, hyphen new, then a single hyphen, and then I add a window to it, and then press Ctrl V, all of the name of all the websites which you want to open it up. No, it didn't paste. Okay, not an issue. Let me copy it from here, and from here new window, fine. Let me check whether there is a space after new window. Yeah, now let me press Ctrl V from my keyboard. Yeah, fine. So now let me click on apply, and then okay, fine. Now let's see whenever I am opening up Google Chrome what happens. I think our goal is achieved, and I am being able to explain the thing which I was trying to demonstrate. So here is the Python and here is the YouTube. The websites are opening up pretty slow. That's another issue. I have some issues with my internet connection, so that is not the thing. So the main thing is that what you need to do is that after creating the shortcut, just right click over it, right click, it's not working, right click, then go to this properties section, and from here just add these two things, hyphen new, hyphen window. So that's all for this short video tutorial. If you have liked it, some like, let me know in the comment section how you felt, or if you have faced in issues while practically demonstrating, practicing on your own and it didn't open up, whether you had any issues. So thank you all guys, and happy coding.